Assalamu alaikum and hello for everyone. We are here today. We are group 3. We are here to present about our group project that was conducted to measure the rainfall, evaporation and infiltration study. My name is Maisa Adil and I'm going through with you in this presentation. So for our group members, I am Maisa Adil and my friend is Lada Musa. This hydrology project was conducted as a part for our coursework to gain hand-on experience with the basic hydrological measurement. Our goal was to observe how water behave in natural environment, particularly focusing on rainfall, evaporation, and infiltration process. We selected a residential area within the UTHM campus in Berit Raja, Johor, which provide a suitable setting with mixed land cover, open space and vegetation for field observation. Going through the objective of our project, it was to measure rainfall using self-made rain gauge, to estimate the evaporation using phenomenograph method, to conduct infiltration test using simple infiltration ring, to calculate surface runoff using water balance method, to apply Hurton infiltration model to analyze soil behavior over time. So I'm going to talk now about the methodology of how we did our experiments and how we collected our data and calculated them. This project had three experiments to be done to measure the rainfall, the evaporation, and the infiltration. For the rainfall measurement, rainfall was recorded for 7 consecutive days at 8 a.m. 2 members took the measurement and daily average were calculated. For the evaporation calculations, we used online data for temperature, humidity, and wind speed to estimate evaporation using phenomena method. For the infiltration test, a metal ring was inserted to the soil and filled with 5 centimeters of water. This time for the water to completely infiltrate was recorded in 5 trials and infiltration rate was calculated.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Lada Musa. In rainfall measurement procedure, to measure rainfall, we conducted a simple field experiment. Using a homemade rain gauge, we reused a plastic bottle by cutting off the top and inverted it to act as a funnel. The bottom part of the bottle was used to collect rainfall water. We marked the side of the bottle with a clear measurement and ruler using a perimeter marker and ruler, allowing us to record the data and amount of rainfall accuracy in millimeters. The rain gauge was then placed in open area near our home location, away from roof, trees and walls, to avoid interference. Each day we record the water level at 8 a.m. For 7 days. The collected data was then used to calculate the daily rainfall data. This method provided a simple and low-cost and effective way to observe rainfall at our projects. How we create the evaporation setup? For the evaporation setup, we use a simple material like clear plastic bottle and cut it using a cutter. To create an open container, a ruler was used to mark a scale on the side so we could observe any water level changes. We filled the bottle with a small amount of water and place it in an open space away from shadows, shade or trees or buildings, to make sure it was fully exposed to sunlight and wind. This simple setup allowed us to observe how much water evaporated over time based on natural water conditions. Okay, in infiltration test, we use a simple model. We followed the method shown in the tutorial video. We made a simple infiltration ring by cutting a metal can and marking the 5 centimeter water level by using a marker. Uh, we insert the ring into the ground in an open soil area with no grass. Then we filled the ring with water up to the 5 centimeter mark and used a stopwatch to record how long it took for the water to absorb in the soil. Once it was empty, we refilled it and repeated the process about five times. We did 5 trials, and in each one we calculated the infiltration rate in millimeter in minute using the formula equal rate equal water depth over time in minutes. This helps us to understand how fast the soil in our area can absorb rainfall water. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My name is Rainfall Musa and am from Group 3 and I will present the result of our group project. Okay, in this project we use the water balance equation. It is runoff equal rainfall minus evaporation minus infiltration. When we apply our values, runoff equal 11.35 minus 0.22 minus 18.01. This is equal minus 6.88 millimeter. This negative result means that all the rainwater was either absorbed into the ground or evaporated. No surface runoff occurred. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everyone. My name is Rainfall Musa from Group 3 and I will present the calculation part in our project. So now I will which includes rainfall, evaporation, infiltration, and surface runoff. First, in rainfall, we measured rainfall for 7 days to 2 members. 2 group members collected the data and we calculated the average for each day. The average daily rainfall was about 11.35 millimeter. Okay, in evaporation, evaporation was calculated using the Penman nomograph method. We used daily weather data such as temperature and wind speed and relative humidity. The average evaporation rate was 0.22 millimeter per day. You can see the data in the table. Okay, then infiltration. Infiltration test was done using a 5 centimeter water level and a stopwatch. We repeated the test five times to ensure consistency. The average infiltration rate was about 18.01 millimeter in minute. We present this data using a bar chart showing all 5 trials. You can see the table. We do the test about 5 times. Okay, in Horton model, to analyze infiltration over time, we applied Horton's equation. It's equal Ft equal 10.95 plus 14.69 times with E to power minus 0.03t. Okay, we used our real measurement and plotted the infiltration curve based on time in seconds. The graph clearly show how infiltration rate decreasing over time, which matches the Horton theory. Okay, in the summary, our data show that the ground in our location has highly permeability. Most of the rainwater infiltrated into the soil or evaporated. This means less risk of surface faulting in the area. And thank you.
Lastly, to summarize and conclude our project, this project helped us to understand hydrological process. Most rainfall infiltrated the soil or evaporation, which means no surface water was left for runoff. Through this experience, we improved fieldwork, teamwork, data analysis, and scientific reporting skills. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.